Now there are different type of plants that go together for whatever reason, whether it be the color scheme that you have, some that are high, some that are a little bit lower. And I find cluster planting with maybe a shrub, a little bit of a stone or a focal point really works. And a simple example of this might be something like this coneflower, which kind of comes up and under this Rose of Sharon bush, which is just starting to bloom right now. Nice pink with the dark center. These two work really well together. And then if you look down low, you will see we have a nice variegated shrub tucked in between a stone, and then I had that piece of driftwood, which I love. It was, I think, found on the beach one day, and somebody brought it over and thought they would look very nice in my garden. And the other part of this is we have a little yellow daylily that's just starting to bloom over there like daylilies go. They bloom some days better than others, and it has a nice yellow flower on it. So if you take this nice yellow little flower over here, put it with the cone flowers, the shrub, and the bush, I think you have a nice little corner section which blends very nice and could be in anybody's garden.